Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your wallet address with Trust Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Trust Wallet app, and from right over here you're gonna find this kind of interface which includes tokens and collectibles. Right over here, simply go ahead, tap on any of the tokens. Once you've got a particular token that you would like to receive from particular token, go ahead, tap. Then for example, if you have picked this particular one, you're gonna find this kind of interface after tapping on the token, and you're gonna tap on this option of receive, right? Then afterwards it will simply generate your QR code, which you can simply share the QR right away as well, and this will simply show you the address as well in the bottom section. You can simply copy it, set amount, or you can simply choose to tap on the share and share this to your friends and family whom you would like to let them know that your wallet address to transfer the tokens and funds to you. So this is simply the way to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.